Hello at welcome ulit sa Kusina ni Mrs. O. And for today, we're hardly cooking, no? But basically, dahil maraming regalo sa atin, we will be using Sarangani Bay. This one, the white shrimp. Wow! Extended. No, but they gave us, so hahaluin ko siya for our summer pomelo salad. So, I'll be serving this today, kasama pa ng curated menu natin kasi we have some guests over for lunch, no, in the home office of my husband. So, you need an old empty bottle, apple blueberry juice. So, we cleaned it. Yes, it's clean because we are making dalandan salad dressing. So, with the dalandan salad dressing, we have kaifir lime leaves, which is from our home. If you don't have this, maybe you can grate a little bit of dayap peel, but this one is very explosive and flavorful. I'm not gonna say it's easy to find, pero meron kasi kami dalawang puno. So, binigyan ako ng mom ko ng isang branch and we were able to grow 2 big bush, no? And then the Indian mangoes came from our tree. The pomelo came from my father. The tomatoes came from the farm of my sister. The Japanese cucumber came from the palengke. And then lettuce, 1 soy. So, we're gonna mix it all up. So, this constitutes our summer salad. So, may pagka-citrusy siya. So, I wanted to match it with our shrimps. So, we're gonna pan grill it kasi tinatamad na ako it's just for 12 people. So, I don't want to turn on the grill, di ba? Parang grabe yung paglinis ng griller talaga. Yun naman yung pain about that. So, I'm just gonna do pan grilling. Let's start. So, this one, winash natin. As in, straight from that freezer pack. I just put it on the running water. So, it's very soft. But what we need to do is we just need to pat dry it because it will not have the grill effect, right? So, lalagay ko lang siya just to make sure na ma-absorb pa yung a little bit of the moisture. So, it's actually Sarangani Bay frozen white shrimp. I've used this a million times. This is actually what I use for my gambas. So, I see open spaces. Pinapagkasya ko na lang siya sa plato. I'm just putting it in tissue just to make sure ma-absorb pa niya yung extra oil. I'm laying it out para pantay-pantay ang kanyang seasoning. Okay, so with this, it's just really a plain salt and pepper. But since the dressing is, citrusy, so may pagkatamis, I just wanted to have a little bit of a bite. So when I say a little bit of a bite, may konting lingering spice, no? So I'm just adding a lot of pepper. Just a bit of salt. If you're gonna pan grill, when you say pan grill, you have to be careful with the oil, no? I think I've pan grilled so many times in Kusina ni Mrs. O, but I hardly spoke about it. So when you say pan grill, you have to add very little oil. It's just like you're coating the pan. If you have brush, go ahead. Kung wala kang brush, just get a kitchen towel and simply wipe it. See? So when you say pan grill, you literally just wiped the pan with oil para you get the pan grill effect. So, yun lang. I just wanted to teach the technique. Lagay na natin siya. Okay, bago natin ma-assemble. So, I will lay first the side kung saan naglagay ako ng pepper, no? Para ma-season pa natin yung kabilang side. That's pan grill. Nakita nyo? It's not swimming in oil. We don't want that, no? Actually, in fact, personally, when I cook for me and my husband, I measure my oil. Kasi, every oil you put is more cholesterol to our body. You have to be careful also with that. So, I'm just gonna coat with more. Bango, no? Can you smell it? It has that parang nutty. So, I'm just gonna add more salt. So, kinakwento ni Chef Gigi basically na pagkakahuli talagang they have high pressure water. So, parang nawawala lahat ng bacteria. Naluluto naman siya. Hindi mo kailangan na sobrang daming mantika. So, we just wanted to show that. Yeah. So, I'm not even adding more oil or anything. We just want to cook it that way. So, careful din tayo sa oil kasi hindi rin siya healthy. So, this is about probably 2 minutes on each side and that's fine. You don't want it to overcook it because it might dry. Kung i-close up mo siya, baka talaga siyang fresh, no? It's really nice and succulent. Very plump siya. Yung hindi mukhang malungkot. Okay ba yun sa description ng shrimp? Hindi mukhang malungkot. Di ba? Parang mukha siyang masaya. Kasi may pagka-chubby cheeks pa siya, kaya type ko siya. So that's why I like using this. Hindi siya malungkot tingnan. I'm not sure kung ano yung tamang word. You know what I mean. Yun lang. So, it's white shrimp. Kasi nga, minsan masarap shrimp kaysa sugpo, di ba? Dahil mas malambot siya, mas hindi, sa bite. So, perfect for a summer salad. Okay, so this is done. See, it's dry. It's not oily at all because it's pan grilled. So, I'm just gonna coat it again. Again, coat. When you say coat, you're literally just brushing it, no? There's hardly any oil because you don't want. Ang ganda ng shrimps, no? Sarangani Bay. First, lalagyan ko muna yung kaifir. So, ang kaifir lime leaves ay, to be honest, pag kainin mo, wala siya masyadong lasa. Talagang, the reason why I'm adding this is for the smell and for the fragrance. Just gonna add sa bottle. Ewan ko kung narinig nyo, ang tigas, di ba? So, you wanna cut it as thin as possible kasi nga, it's not yung taste niya matigas. That's what we're after, the smell. Sabi ng mom ko, pag wala daw kaifir, pwede ang calamansi leaves. Kasi like before, pag gumagawa siya ng curry at wala yung kaifir, yung calamansi leaves ang hinahalo. Pero kailangan hugasan natin. So, di ko alam kung meron kayong tanim. So, pwede rin siguro yun. So, sometimes, itong kaifir na to, ito linalagay ko sa kanin because ang bango niya. Especially if we're eating black rice, that's what I put there. So, here, I will put my dalandan concentrate, actually. And then I'm gonna add some water para makita niyo how much. I'm gonna add a little bit of patis, not so salty. Then some oil. Any oil will do. So oil is the neutralizer. I call it my neutralizer. Yeah. So we're just gonna shake it up a bit. Ang dami nating sponsor. Thank you to Attorney Shai. So this is iceberg. So everything it all there. And then ibubuhos ko lang yung dressing. Then, ang ating galing sa garden na Indian mangoes. Our Indian mangoes kasi, when I say neutral yung taste niya, meaning hindi siya maasim. So, careful tayo. Go very well with salad, yung manamis-namis na Indian mangoes. So, I don't know what you call that variety, but that's what we have in our tree. Our kamatis, care of Ate Michelle. Ito, Japanese cucumber. Gusto ko lang yung Japanese cucumber kasi parang crunchy siya. So, I like using that. Slice ko lang ng konti kasi masyadong malaki para madali siyang kagatin. So, you would want the pomelo na medyo small ang cuts kasi it should go with the salad. Ang ganda na ng itsura. Yung maganda sa salad na to, and one of the reasons I like serving this every time we have a party or it's in the buffet, kasi pag nalanta siya, masarap pa rin. So not all salads are like that. So that's the reason why I like serving that. So shake lang natin siya. So shake lang natin para mag-emulsify. Shake yung bottle, hindi ikaw yung mag-shake. It's my first time to use this dalandan concentrate. Normally, I use another brand, so I don't know if this is sweet enough. So ito, syempre di natin ito mauubos. So while we're chopping red onions, I will also chop honey roasted peanuts, diba? Although, I snack on this kasi it's a healthier snack. Why are we putting nuts? Alam mo yung concept natin, when we cook pasta, we add Parmesan cheese para i-absorb yung oil. So the nuts actually provides absorption dun sa salad dressing para mas concentrated yung flavor. Invento ko lang yun. Hindi, totoo yun. Kala nyo, invento ka lang yan. May totoo yun. This salad is very refreshing. I think that's one of the ways I will describe this salad. It's vinaigrette based. It is sort of a vinaigrette because something citrus and oil, no? It's not yung cream based. Kasi I would assume cream based will be a little bit heavier on the feel, no? So I will put this after I place the salad dressing. And then I will put this after. Smile. Kasi nasa camera ka. So, hinaluan lang natin ng red onions para mas magka-body pa yung ating salad dressing. Diba? Tama ba? She agrees. Okay. We're just shaking it. And then, meron pa tayong cilantro. Ito yung malaki natin kutsara. So, there. Nag-emulsify na siya. When you say emulsify, nag-thicken, no? Dahil shake natin siya. So, okay lang to na swimming. Yan. I just want to make sure na pag kuha nila sa buffet, yung kinukuha nilang part ay may salad dressing. This is where we will spread our nuts. So, anong mangyayari kung wala kang nuts? Cornic, pwede. Yung boy bawang, you can do that. Yung butter flavor. And then, some cilantro. You know I love one soy or cilantro. There you go. And here you go. This is now our summer pomelo salad with Sarangani Bay White Shrimp pan-grilled. Thank you for watching Kusina ni Mrs. O, and I hope you enjoyed this. Marami kaming taste testers today. Kaya, thank you for watching and see you soon! So here, what you see, like the fish crackers, the kropek, but sometimes they call it here chicharon, which is the kropek. And then chicharon made here also. So these are all backyard communities. Some are backyard, some are small enterprises, and this is what we call beer nuts, no? So hindi ko alam yung secret coating niya, but it's very good na may manamis-namis na minsan may konting anghang. So secretly, which hindi naman re-reveal ng owner, feeling ko it's milk powder. So we wanted to prepare some knickknacks, and of course, the Indian mangoes come from our tree, and the bagoong came from, I think, a family in Barangay Hulong Duhat, no? So it's one of their recipes. Siyempre, I was talking about na maraming tinapahan, no? Inisip natin yung maraming tinapahan. And yan na po yung ating smoked tinapa served with sky flakes. And then, when you say curated, here is our curated menu. So we just ribboned it. Binili ko lang yan sa Divisoria. And here is the story. So every food they eat becomes a conversational piece. So kung anong nasa table, anong sa buffet, no? Pansit Malabon history, and then of course pati yung aming bangus tochong, lumpiang hubad, and dessert ice cream bar. So that's menu curation by Kusina ni Mrs. O.